Hi, dear friends, I'm Chef Lion. Today I will cook crab fruit salad. Enjoy it and give me a like. Subscribe my channel, please. 你们好，亲爱的朋友，我是狮子大厨，今天做到螃蟹水果沙拉，希望您点喜欢，关注我的频道，支持我。Put water in wok and boil the water. 锅里放水，把水烧开。Put the crab in wok. Cook it by steam. 把螃蟹放入锅，用蒸汽蒸它。Keep adding water in wok. Use steam cook 15 minutes. 不断加水，用蒸汽蒸15分钟。The crab is cooked. Beautiful red. 螃蟹蒸好了，多漂亮的红色。Now we will take the meat out of the crab. 现在我们把螃蟹肉取出来。It needs skill and patience. 这需要技巧和耐心。Thinking you cook for your family and lover. 想着你在为家庭和爱人做饭。How sweet and how nice in our heart. 我们心里感到很甜很美好。We need tools, a scissors and a stick. 我们需要的工具是一把剪刀和一根筷子。These are the lungs of the crab. Inedible. 这些是螃蟹的肺，是不能吃的。The crab is very fresh. Many meat in it. 螃蟹非常新鲜，肉很多。These are the crab meat we got. 这是我们得到的蟹肉。A green plum. 一个绿色李子。Take out the seed. 取出内核。Sour and sweet. 它是酸甜口味。Very crispy. 非常脆。One golden mango. 一个金色芒果。It's very sweet. 它非常甜。Squeeze the flesh into pulp. 把果肉压成果浆。Add apple vinegar 50 ml. 加入50毫升苹果醋。We can use apple make vinegar in family. 我们可以在家自己做苹果醋。We need corn wine. It's low alcohol wine. 我们要用碘玉米酒，它是1%的低酒精度。 Squeeze lemon 挤上柠檬汁。Add green Chinese onion 加一点葱花。Ginger leaf 5 grams 姜叶5克。Waiting 5 minutes 静置5分钟。Now we can taste the salad. 现在我们可以品尝这道沙拉了。Crab meat so tasty. 蟹肉非常鲜美。Plum is little sour. 李子微酸。Tender sweet 柔和的甜甘。Ginger little hot 姜叶有一点辣。Mango is always pleasantly surprised. 芒果总是令人惊喜。Cheers 干杯。Yummy yummy yummy 好吃好吃好吃。Dear friend, do you like my salad? 亲爱的朋友，你喜欢这道沙拉吗？ In holiday party, if you can cook it, everyone will love it. 在节日聚会做这道菜，每个人都会喜欢的。Cooking is a game. We are all children. 烹饪是一个游戏，我们都是孩子。No matter we are poor or rich, we all enjoy life God give us. 不管我们贫穷或富有，我们都享受上帝赐给我们的生活。Cooking, taste, smile 做饭，品尝，微笑。Tell Chef Lion what you wanna eat. I will cook and show you in next video. 您想吃什么？告诉狮子大厨，我会在下次视频中为您做。Thank you watching. See you again. 谢谢观看，再见。